our subscribers what you're up to. What are you up to? What you doing here?
I'm detailing my engine compartment.
Oh, trying to get all of that desert dirt off?
Yeah, it's full of it. The hood, it's all messed up from all the wind and the rain and the dirt, the dust in the desert.
Uh-huh.
So I started on this side. I'm going across. You can see all this over here looks pretty good. I ain't got it all the way yet.
Oh, look, he's making it spiffy.
Yeah, well, I'll put plastic over this compartment, and then I'll wash all this and clean it. And I'll cover the motor up with, I have plastic, like a tarp I can use. But right now it's detail cleaning. I got my brushes, and I done blew it down already this morning with the air hose in the garage. But yeah, this is what you got to do to get it back to where you can maintain it properly. So I had to pull the air filter all apart, undo all this, clean all this stuff. It was just all down in there, dirt, like that side. It was all like that up there. But I'm moving that way a little bit at a time. Trying not to, you gotta limit the amount of water you put on the motor.
Right.
I use little brushes, and I have some rags, and use little brushes for little places, big brushes for bigger places. And I have a square brush for just some stuff. And some of the brushes you need stiffer brushes. I'll cut it off, make it a little bit stiffer. And I got different cleaners I use. You know, some of the, like over here, this strut was all covered in grit and dirt. I had to clean it all off with some carburetor cleaner.
Wow.
Because it was all caked on there, and the dirt was on there. So we'll get it back to where it needs to be kept up.
And the same thing has to be done to our house.
Yeah, we gotta take off the air conditioners. Well, we'll show you how it goes. Well, that's the way you fix it right. That's the way you keep up with stuff.
That's it.
Yeah, that's the way you do it. Oh, look at them little birds. Oh, they're pretty. They're kind of gray and white. They're little. Bunch of them up there. Oh, there, got some black in them too.
Oh, and as you can see, we're going to have us a little cookout. Yep. So we come home, and so we don't have to find a place to camp for Memorial Day weekend. And our whole family has plans. So we're here this weekend by ourselves. There's the storage shed where we keep the bike. There we go. Yep, our pond needs to be cleaned off too. It's full of turtles. Got us a little outside fire pit right here. Of course, there's the bike. Miss Childers already been on it and went to town. So, that's it. We're trying to get her done. Get her done. It's hot today.
Gotta go slow.
It was 92 here today. The deer flies are out, trying to eat me alive. I got caught up on all the laundry, trying to get caught up on all the videos. Hey y'all, we've been doing a lot around here. Like, I'm working on videos and going through stuff to make sure everything is the way it needs to be and whatnot. Well, I was looking at the Patreon. No wonder I only have a few patrons. I hadn't realized that it said $5 per each creation. No. I wouldn't even do that. It's $5 a month, and you get many creations, at least 4 a month. So sorry about that. Just a little glitch. Y'all hang with us. All right. Tell the tubers bye, honey.
Bye, tubers.
Y'all have a great Memorial Day weekend.